Hello and welcome to the training session for creating rules for multiple attendance status for employees' attendance in MSTA. In this session, we will learn that we can define many attendance statuses of employees such as leave, on duty, etc. These will be available for marking attendance on behalf of employees as required. These will also appear in the attendance reports. So let us see the steps to define attendance statuses for employees. Click on button MSTA, select module HRMS from the list of modules. The module name HRMS appears on the screen, which means that we are working in the HRMS module. Click on the button business rules and select the screen employee attendance status rule. Select academic year and enter full form of the attendance status in the box above the column attendance status. Maximum 150 characters can be entered and both numbers or text can be entered in this field. Enter short name of the attendance status in the box above the column short name. Maximum 4 characters can be entered and both numbers and text can be entered in this field. Click on the field above the column attendance calculation and select Y for yes or N for no from these values. If we select yes as in Y, this would mean that the specific attendance status, if marked for an employee, would be counted for calculating the monthly attendance of the employee. Whereas if we select N, that is no, it would mean that the specific attendance status, if marked for an employee, would not be counted for calculating the monthly attendance of the employee. Select a value from the total working days calculation box as Y for yes and N for no. A yes in this field would mean that the specific attendance status, if marked for an employee, would be counted as part of the working days of the month for attendance for the employee. Whereas if no is selected in this field, it would mean that the specific attendance status, if marked for an employee, would not be counted as part of working days of the month for attendance. Click on button Add and the status as entered starts displaying in the grid below. The status that are added here would become applicable to all the employees. Repeat the steps to enter the other status and click on button Save on the toolbar to save the details as entered. A data saving confirmation message is received and click on OK on the confirmation message. Now, to delete the status that we have already defined, we click on the row of the attendance status which needs to be deleted. The selected status details appears in the respective boxes. Click on the button Remove, which is available next to the grid. A data deletion confirmation message appears. If you are sure to delete this row, click on the Yes button. The selected row becomes highlighted in the color and click on Save button. The data saving confirmation message is received and the row disappears from the grid. Click on OK on the message and repeat the steps for other statuses also if applicable. If we would like to update the attendance status which is already defined, then again we click on the row and the details of the attendance status appears in the respective boxes. Update the details as required and click on the Add button. The previous value gets updated with the new value. Click on the Save button. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click on OK on the confirmation message. To check whether the saved details are appearing, click on the academic year again and you will see that the details as we have just updated are still available on the screen. Click on Clear button to clear the screen. Repeat the steps if other statuses needs to be changed. Thank you for watching this video.